At a 2014 Ford. Oh yeah, we did a lot of stuff. Interior door handle. This, gonna go look at a Subaru. That one is smoking. It was smoking. Their diagnosis on a 28 spark plug replacement on the 2010 Subaru. So what I'm looking for right now is a side of the engine. Just gonna wait and see if the T2000 produces a good amount of it's like this one was, and it leaked oil. Like the fact that it's digital, easy to read, right? It's like 500. You can do decay tests, and you can do a little bladder here. And then has an extract tool. It's a good little unit. I would suggest if you do. Who's wanting to know? This is a what is this thing? Very long name. So it's very Chinese. You got the electronic brake control module, valid from engine powertrain control module. If this will resolve this issue. The sensor itself that went out is assist the brakes. Especially if there's any you haven't surrendered your life. He never loves you. Who created a relationship as intimately sacrifice himself. Steal, we kill, we lie, we cheat to be hung on a cross. Who came down from his literally sacrificed everything. Ask him today, Lord, come into my heart. Are you? I want to know you. Flesh desired, weed. It was never enough. I apologize. And we can just live how we want to live with no accountability. That's all we do. But we don't, so that he will give us life. And Jesus wants to give us freedom, darkness, and deception. And what I'm here for. They can't tell me why I was created. This is what my calling is. Or being told that you don't go. I pray that, ask him for forgiveness. He already said that he will pour out upon all flesh. Just as every Christian. That's all we can do. If you don't know Jesus, let today be. I think I said that already. But what the gentleman's car won't start function on the vehicle, which I'm glad for my scan tool. I just would have shut it off. Turn that off and turn it off for good. It won't come back on. That's all right. Hopefully that doesn't come out. We at least know. Stop it with all the electronic stuff. That's probably one of the dumbest things I've ever heard. Even though I'm new to this, man, I'm true to this. We done. Actually, I need to then lock this. See me? I don't care. You don't need to see me. All right. Evidence, car keys.
Thought I could hide from your presence, thought I could sleep through the night, but your light is all consuming, brought me from darkness to light.